So on the way kami ngayon sa Ocean Park. So after 10 or 12 years, so ngayon lang ulit kami makakapunta sa Ocean Park. So siguro malaki na rin ang pinag-iba ng Ocean Park ngayon kasi matagal-tagal kaming hindi na nakapasok dun. So last time na nakapasok kami dun, maliliit pa yung mga anak ko. So ngayon binata na yung panganay ko, tsaka yung bunso kong anak. So, dito na kami sa Manila Ocean Park.
Welcome to Manila Ocean Park! Woo!
Yan o. Hotel yan o. Hotel H2O. Saan ba yung kuhan dito? Entrance dito? Wahak. Buang.
Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot
Kalimut ang kuasag entrance dito sa
Oo.
Ocean Park. Uy, ito ay lagpas naman tayo.
Oo.
No? Done. Saan
Ikot
kaya?
ka na lang.
Saan kaya yun?
Ikot ka kung lumagpas na
Hindi
tayo.
naman to. Lagpas na tayo. Lagpas na.
Yan nga. Ikot ka. Meta, Manila yan eh.
Ito, yan. Dito yata. So, tayo dyan. Kaso parang sarado naman. Ito yata. Ayan o.
Ayan eh. Tanong natin saan.
Ayun,
Sarado
this
man.
way to Manila. Doon pala, sa kabila. Doon sa kabila. This way to Manila eh.
Hindi ako mag-i-
Doon. Ayun. Ahak. Ito si Madam. Dito dito. Kuan dito. Kami 360 dito. May koi fish. Ano, koi fish. Dilim naman dito. Madilim. Ha? Luwang ko. Oh, ito yung. Ito yung.
Ito yung ano,
Tuyong.
kuyog. Ano? Tuyong. No, marami sa amin.
Namas nino.
Kuyog sa akin, marami rin. At saka,
Ganda ni dun sa ano sa tingin.
Yeah, may bayang. Bayang. Sugbaonon nami isugba bayang. So po ni. Stonefish. Ano siya? Anong isda yan? Dun sa mga iho shell, iho.
Finding Nemo. It's Finding Nemo.
Dito lang pala si Nemo. Ang si Nemo. Uy, este na may penguin. Na may penguin. Oh, nailasin. Oh, layan. Parang snake yung kamandag rin yan.
Yung mga ano niya, galamay niya.
Ayan, tunok
Pag
yun eh.
tunog yan, oh, grabe. Grabe, no? Marami pa rin sila, pero yung ibang isda po dito.
Uy, mamsa oh. Ito yung isda na mamsa. Yan oh, lalaki oh.
Lalaki, no? Giant.
Giant tribuli yata ito eh. Ayan oh, tribali nga. Ito nga
Tribali.
yan. Giant
Yan,
tribali. Yan,
talakitop.
giant tribali.
Talakitop.
Yan oh, lalaki oh. Lalaki ito. Mamsa na pag malaki. Yan oh.
Hanggang sa pag malaki.
Oh, pag malaki na siya, ganyan ang kalaki. Mamsa na yan. Yan siya oh.
Mamsa ko sa atin.
Oh, lagi dyan oh. Wala mo kado yung mga isda dito. Ano yung kagi mo?
as the more they are being educated on the significance and splendor of these animals, the better chance sharks and stingrays have to exist naturally. Few reminders once again. Flash photography is not allowed as this causes undue stress to the marine animals. Food and drinks are not allowed. Please conduct yourself pati and pating.
May ihi o lapu-lapu.
Good day, everyone. We are now at the last leg of your journey. Welcome to Kalaliman, Pagi, and Pating, where you will encounter the silent hunters of the deep, as well as the top predators of the ocean. Stingrays are amazing creatures that are always fascinating to watch. They are often found gliding in warm, tropical waters and are not usually aggressive.
Myth of Antarctica. Oh, rin 750 oh, may ayo eh. Dati mas nindot pa yung dati sila na ay mga lapu-lapu dagko katong lapu-lapu. Siguro dugay na gugado. Karon gagmay naman. Tinumdum ko dati dagko katong lapu-lapu. Iba pa din yung entrance dito. Oh, mauna tong ato. Ay, di kuan. Kuan siguro.
Kami nga atin, ma'am, sa may CCTV room, sa ito.
Ano ba to dito? Bakit madilim? Mga penguin. Ayan o, penguin o. May penguin siya. Sa loob pala, mga penguin pala to dito. Ayan o, penguin. Karong kita ng penguin. Christmas Village. Christmas Village daw. Christmas Village. Mga souvenir. Di palit diri stock toys.
Mura, mahal yan.
Mahal yan. So gusto niyo ng souvenir dito lang. Pila siya.
Wheatgrass yun hindi yung barley, pero mas maganda pa yung wheatgrass. Karibo yan sa, ano?
Uy, si ko ano? Parang magkagsibiya siya. Parang magkagsibiya. Ako murag si Gerald Anderson. May lamig dito eh. Yung ba to? Skip. Sama ni.
Sige mo ma'am, try nyo lang po ma'am. Maganda po yung pag-souvenir ko ma'am. Baka may picture po kayo sa ibang area, pwede rin po natin i-check dito ma'am. Baka may picture kayo sa ibang area, sir, pwede po natin i-check dito.
Ah, mga collection ng Superman. Collection ng Superman. Superman.
Superman na paglawas.
Parang yung tambok Superman.
Collection siguro niya. Nilagay dito sa
Uy, bao. Di bao na. Bao.
taas, laki ng ano.
Color red.
Nakuhaan pala ni Dirito ko. Na, leopard gecko. Yan siya. Leopard, mga tuko pala to dito. Oh. Gagmayng tuko.
Dapat daw maulit ka 3 days and 2 nights. Ah, baka sa December po, dyan. No? Del, baka sa December po, doon tayo mag-celebrate. Ano na lang. Di ba, Del? Dapat daw 3 days and 2 nights.
Asa? Doon sa kinuha na natin? Tagigtik. Tagigtik yung 100,000 doon. Yung baka ano. Uy, has pala to. Maghas din rin. Huwa na maghas din. Ah, baki. Baki. Baki talaga. Lub-lub at baki.
Pero parang ano din sila. No?
Baki pala
Dito
to eh.
matagal talaga to. Pati na yan lang.
Tarantula. Tarantula. Oh. Tarantula. Golden knee tarantula.
Why? That's ano, delicious, sabi. Lalabas siya ano niya. Lalabas siyang tang niya.
Oh! What's happening?
Yan oh, parang patay na nga yata to. Oh. Hindi na nagalaw din.
Hindi naman talaga gumagalaw yan.
Ito?
Oh.
Ay, buha.
Iguana. Iguana yan.
It's in the top. It's a
Bird dragon.
It's a hedgehog! It's a hedgehog! Look here! Can I just do it like that? Oh!
Ah, bao nga gagmay. Ah, bao.
Ay, ayaw yan.
Ah, tara. Yung ilaga. Tago. Ah, hasin. Oh, apay. Has.
Albino python. Albino
Ah,
Burmese python.
Albino Burmese python. Tago. Tago. Ah, ito siya no. Green tea pa. Green tree.
Dito wala na nga.
Matay na siguro na.
Ito.
Nakakawala. Ingatan niyo yan. Baka nasa likod na natin.
Tuklaw pa tayo nito.
Ito rin, wala naman.
Ala, saan na kaya yun? Ay, ito nasa loob. Nasa loob.
Tatago.
Natago.
Ito, laki.
Dami daw sa likuran mo. Ay, hindi ka nakakapatay ah.
I already know where's it. I already know it.
At least ito malaki-laki. Pero parang kulong pa rin sila.
Doon no? Grill.
Hey guys, do you have betters? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front slippers, which are shaped like a bird's beak. See those? That from the event will also be translated as beak flip, since their flippers will look somewhat like wings. In fact, they're pretty flying underwater as they see from place to place. Right, Sila and friends? And you know, they're often mistaken as seagulls because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seagull and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about us, personalized friends? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? And how about our sea lion friends? As you can see, their bodies
Pakanon kasi sila na para musunod ba?
And the whiskers
Ito si Jessie kasi kailangan gabayan
they
niya.
contain nerve fibers which makes them sensitive. Nice smile. They also use their whiskers to aid navigation or to detect vibration from breaking the water. And their small little ears give them the sense of hearing above and below the water surface. Sea lions and marine mammals can see them both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they have waters close to shores, flat rock cliffs with typhoons, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can be scale to rocky cliffs. Check this out. Sure, these are front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movements of their front flippers. While their back steady and fantastic! How about us for Yemi and Ira? Great job! Now this time, would you love to see a dance number from our sea lion friends? Hey guys, I can hear you. Would you love to see them dance? Yes! Well, music, maestro! Let's move it! Alright, clap your hands everyone! Let's go! Now guys, showdown, this side by side. And the Weaver dancing. Let's go ladies. And into the water fly away. Twisted and turning. What a nice twist, little ladies. And around the world we go, round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Now let's show them the boogie boogie dance. Boogie boogie! Shake, shake, shake! And our favorite part, the position. Shake those booties. Shake bigger. Yeah, keep on growing. Alright, ladies, show them what you got. People on the ground, grab your camera, move. This is the best part. Steady and and for the finale.
How to look?
Steady.
Mura po ni sila gulpin.
Let's go! Props for Sea-Lion friends and for you as well for that great dance number. Wow, sweet. Thank you, Yanni Silang Kiwi, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here in land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions and any animals cannot survive in a trash-filled environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. As our conclusion, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. Even our bodies inside our oceanary, always keep in mind that we are a story of planet and thus each one of us must do on what we can to protect and conserve all the habitats of our Mother Earth and universe selves. So on behalf of the engineer Player Albert, Player John and Ira, and on behalf of the Equality and Pinoy Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our sea lion friends. Bye! By the way, guys, if you want to have some souvenir photos, we don't have